Hi! So today we're going to teach you on how to change the Buy Now button on Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Let's say that you want to change your button here. Let's say for example here in our Shopify store, view your store, and you want to change to shop all and to customize it to whatever you want it to be. So first thing you need to do is to go back to Shopify, click online store, and then from there click on the three buttons next to customize, and from there you're going to press edit code. This might seem very daunting or complicated, but we will teach you as simple as possible. Going to theme, this one here, theme.liquid, and you're going to look for /head. As you can see here, this one is labeled or named as simply head. So we're going to scroll down until we see /head. Here we go. We're going to simply leave a space there. Remember /head. If you cannot find it, simply go Control F and simply type /head, and you will be brought to that particular area. So there's a code here. This particular code, we will leave this in the description box, and we will simply going to select it, copy, and then we're going to simply paste it above /head. I repeat, above /head, not under, not beside, but above /head. So going to simply control paste here. The button is coded as it will hit that, it will say hit that like button, but now we're going to change it to subscribe. Okay, from here on the top right, we're going to simply press save. And now let's go back to our store and see if this button changes to what we want it to be. It didn't fucking change. And as you can see here, the page or the button has changed to subscribe. And that's how you change your call to action button on your Shopify store. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.